Ladies and gentlemen, this is Milko Sports Got Skills Basketball. JL Mini Hoops versus Infinite Basketball 11 under. Jump ball between Paul Viñas versus Solano. Lauzon. Pass to Paul Viñas. 2 points for Mars Marasigan. Luna. Foul. Paul Viñas. 2 shots for Solano. 2 free throws for Paul Soblano. Basket again. Marasigan. Pass to Viñas. To Lauzon. Dolok pass. What a pass by Lauzon. Tupakin. Out of bounds. Same ball. Leave. Floater. Basket. Lauzon. Pass to Marasigan. To Viñas. 2 points yan para kay Paul Viñas. Luna. To Lee. Lee. Rebound by Pakin. Foul. Foul on Joaquin Argente. Two points by Isaac. Lauzon. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Viñas. Tupakin. No good. Lauzon again. To Viñas. 2 points yan para kay Viñas. Labu. Tabu. Tuli. Pass to Soblano. Foul. Two free throws for Zoblano. First throw for Soblano. No good. Lauzon. Lauzon. Umatake. No good. Rebound by Soblano. Pass to Lee. Still by Lauzon. 2 points yan para kay Lauzon. Tabu. Pass to Luna. To Lee. No good. Rebound by Soblano. To Lauzon. Two points by Argente. Tabu. Pass to. Two points by Lauzon. Number 8. Traveling violation. Argente inbound the ball. Pass to Marasigan for 3. 3 points yan para kay Marasigan. Timeout. Infinite basketball. Official score 6-17 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Panaligan, pass to Luna. Lee. Wide open. 2 points for Nathan Lee. Lauzon. Pass to. Out of bounds. Luna. To Panaligan. Foul. Foul on number 25, Panaligan. Two shots for Rosales. Basket. Second throw for Rosales. Basket again. Luna. Nagbababa ng bola. Steal by Rosales. To Lauzon. No good. Rebound by Marasigan. Out of bound. Infinite ball. Line violation. $14 to shoot. Soblano. Foul. Foul on number 8. Rosales. Nathan. To Soblano. 2 points yan para kay Soblano. Lauzon. Nathan. Pass to Panaligan. Two free throws to Panaligan. First shot, no good. Second throw for Carlos. No. Rebound by Soblano. 2 points yan para kay Soblano. Argente. 40 seconds. To Lauzon. Nathan. Nakuha ni Argente. 15 seconds remaining. Foul. First shot, basket by Marasigan. Second throw for Marasigan. Basket again. Panaligan. Rosales. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our first quarter. Official score is 12 to 21 in favor of KL Mini Hoops. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the second quarter of the between Infinite Basketball versus JL Mini Hoop. Gutierrez, pass to Gutierrez, fires on three. No good. Two points for Paul Viñas. Still by Viñas. Pass to Lauzon. Setting the play. Lauzon. To Rosales. Carlos Panaligan. Foul. Gamoso. Pass to Lauzon. To Gamoso. Short. Rebound by Soblano. To Panaligan. No good. Foul. Foul on number 2, Gutierrez. Panaligan. Pass to Luna. Still by. No good. Tolentino. Panaligan for 2. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. To Luna. Gutierrez. Lays it up. No good. Foul. Number 15, Gamoso. Two points para kay Soblano. Gutierrez. Pass to Tolentino sa ilalim. Yes, sir. Para kay Tolentino. Out of bound. Marasigan. Pass to Gamoso. Sumagasa. No good. To Paul. Foul. Foul on number 32. Elano. Basket. First throw basket by Paul Viñas. Second throw. No good. Rebound by Soblano. To Luna. Pump. Luna. 2 points. Rosales to Gamoso. Out of bound. Marasigan. Gutierrez for 3. Short. Tulo na. Pass to Nathan Lee. Nathan. Foul. Timeout. 8-minute basketball. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 4 minutes exactly. Luna. Floater. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. Pakin. To Gutierrez. Lauzon. Out of bound. 10 to shoot. Lauzon. Foul. Foul on number 48, Nathan Lee. 2 free throws for Argente. First throw. No good. Second throw. Sablay. Nakuha ni Luna. Pass to Soblano. 2 points yan para kay Soblano. Gutierrez. To Lauzon. Two points para kay Rosales. Tabu. To Nathan Lee. Fake. 2 points yan para kay Nathan Lee. Lauzon. No good. Tabu. To Nathan Lee. Fake. Traveling. Violation. Pakin. To Gutierrez for 3. No good. 2 points. Para kay Tolentino. Tabu. To Luna. Still by Lauzon. Pass to Tolentino. Traveling. Violation. Tabu. Still by Lauzon. 2 points by Lauzon. Nathan. Nathan Lee, pass to Tabu. Lauzon, pass to Tolentino. Traveling, violation. Nathan Lee, pass to Tabu. Foul. Foul on number 25, Barasigan. Nathan Lee, pass to Tabu. Nathan Lee for 3. No good. 1 minute exactly. Lauzon. No good. Out of bounds. Tabu. Pass to Nathan Lee. Pass to Ilano. Floater. No good. Soblano. 2 points para kay Soblano. 20 seconds remaining. Gamoso. Tumarasigan. Out of bound. 8 seconds remaining. Steal by Nathan Lee. Basket count. Basket count para kay Argenti. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our end of the second quarter. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the third quarter of the game between JL Mini versus Infinite Basketball. Nathan Lee for 3. No good. Marasigan. Pass to Lauzon. Floater. No good. Rebound ulit ni Lauzon. Pass to Paul. 2 points yan para kay Paul Piña. Sabu. Pass to Panaligan. Still by Marasigan. 2 points yan para kay Marasigan. Sabu. Pass to Nathan Lee. Pull up. Short. Soblano. No good. Pass to Lauzon. Attacking on the middle. No good. Rebound by Nathan Lee. Pass to Ilano. To Soblano. Floater. No good. Out of bounds. Marasigan. Pass to Lauzon. To Paul. Sa ilalim. Traveling violation. Luna. Milano. Still by Tolentino. Bump. 2 points yan para sa Paris. Tolentino again. 2 points again by Tolentino. Time Infinite Basketball. Official score 22-42 in favor of MJ Mini Hoops. Back to the ball game. Ilano, inbound the ball. Pass to Nathan Lee. Nathan Lee. Pass to Luna. Luna. So Panaligan. No good. Lauzon. Lauzon. Naagawan ni Soblano. Pass to Panaligan. Panaligan for 3. No good. Foul. Foul on Paul Piña. Two free throws for Soblano. First shot, no good. Second throw. Basket. Lauzon. To Argente. Back to Lauzon. Floater. Basket. Basket for Lauzon. Out of bounds. Tolentino, bump. No good. Rebound by Soblano. To Nathan Lee. Nathan Lee. Pass to Ilano for 3. No good. Soblano sa ilalim. 2 points yan para kay Soblano. Lawzon setting the play. Lawzon. Nathan. Floater. No good. Rebound by Ilano. Float. Foul. Foul on number 8, Rosales. Basket para kay Ilano. Gutierrez, pass to Marasigan. Back to Gutierrez. To Tolentino. Traveling, violation. Nathan Lee. Pass to Nathan Lee. Still by Marasigan. Lace it up. Easy basket para kay Marasigan. Out of bounds. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 46 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Marasigan. Marasigan pass to out of bound. Still by Gamoso. Tupakin. Sumagasa. 2 points yan kay Pakin. Tabu. Pass to Panaligan. Masyado malakas ang pasa. Marasigan. Pass to Gamoso. Kaso tumawag ng traveling. Luna. Pass to Tabu. Foul. Foul on number 6. Pakin. Cabrera pass to Tabu for 2. No good. Rebound by Pakin. Tumarasigan. No good. Rebound by Tabu. Pass to Luna. Out of bound. Luna. Pass to Tabu. Back to Luna. Luna for 3. No good. 45 seconds. Rebound by Tolentino. Pass to Gamoso. To Marasigan. Gutierrez. Out of bound. Tabu. Two points para kay Gamoso. Tabu. Pass to Luna. 10 seconds remaining. Gamoso. Pass to Rosales. Dumiretso. 2 points yan para kay Rosales. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our third quarter. 27-52 bit in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the fourth and final quarter between JL Mini Hoops versus Infinite Basketball. Argente inbounding the ball. Argente. Tumarasigan. Lauzon setting the play. Lauzon. Umatake. Denied by Soblano. Viñas sa gitna. 2 points yan para kay Paul Viñas. Lauzon. Miss. Out of bound. Ball possession for JL Mini Hoops. Short. Nakuha ni Nathan Lee at may foul. Foul number 23. Joaquin Argente. Panaligan, pass to Soblano. Soblano. Sumagasa. 2 points yan para kay Soblano. Paul. Pass to Marasigan. Tolentino. Sumagasa. Sablay. Nathan. Pass to Lagarta. Still by Lauzon. Pass to Tolentino. No good. Bump. Traveling violation. Ilano. Still by Argente. No good. Nakuha ni Nathan. Nathan, foul. Foul on number 9, Tolentino. Out of bounds. Same ball. 14 to shoot. Ardiente, pass to Paul Biñas. Pass to Marasigan. To Tolentino. Lauzon, no good. Traveling violation. Nakalimo. Panaligan. Foul. Foul on the panaligan. Two free throws for Marasigan. Basket for Marasigan. Five minutes and 6 seconds remaining. Timeout for Infinite Basketball. Official score is 29 to 56 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Back to the ball game. Hey God. Milano. Still by Gamoso, 2. Gutierrez, 2 points by Gutierrez. Luna. Luna, pass to Soblano. Easy 2 points by Soblano. Lauzon. No good. To Gamoso. Tolentino, Sumagasa. Traveling violation. Still by Gamoso. To Lauzon. To Rosales sa ilalim. 2 points yan para kay Rosales. Luna. Pass to Soblano. Gandang pasa nun by Luna. Lauzon. Lauzon. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Lauzon. Pass to Rosales. No good. Rebound by Nathan. To Luna. Ilano floater. No good. Out of bounds. Timeout. Infinite Basketball. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Back to the ball game.
Shoots.
14 seconds shot clock. Luna inbound the ball. Pass to Soblano sa ilalim. Foul. Follow number 9, Tolentino. Second throw. Basket. Tolentino. Binigay kay Argente. Block. At may foul. Number 24, Soblano.
That says personal foul. Third team foul for Infinite Basketball. Shooting 0 free throws, Joaquin Argenta.
First shot by Joaquin Argente. No good. Second throw by Joaquin Argente. Basket. Panaligan, inbound the ball. Pass to Tabu. Kaso na-steal ni Marasigan. Nakuha ni Gamoso. Lazy up. 2 points yan para kay Gamoso. Luna. Foul. Foul on number 2, Gutierrez. Tabu. Pass to Luna. Luna nagmamadali. Float. Sablay. Nakuha ni Cabrera. Pass to Luna. Pull up. 2 points yan para kay Luna. Last 2 minutes para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Panaligan, pass to Cabrera. Cabrera nagmamadali. Foul. Foul on number 9, Tolentino. First throw basket for Cabrera. Second throw for Cabrera. No good. Rebound by Lauzon. Pass to Tolentino. Gandang pasa nun. No look pa. Gamoso. Pass to Gutierrez. Kaso napalakas. Nakuha ni Luna. Luna. Pass to Cabrera. Tumira, sablay. Nakuha niya ulit. 2 points na yan para kay Cabrera. Remaining time, 1 minute exactly. Out of bound. 55 seconds. Official score, 39-65. Tenorio. No good. Tenorio again. Pass to Cabrera. Pull up. Sablay. Nakuha ni Luna. 2 points yan para kay Tabu. 30 seconds. Tolentino. No good. Cabrera. Naagawan ni Gamoso. 10 seconds. Tolentino. 2 points yan para kay Tolentino. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of fourth quarter. 41 to 67. Won by your JL Mini Hoops.